In this video, we will do an unboxing and quick setup of the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. I saw the Stream Deck Mini in some YouTube videos and I got it to test it out and see how I can use it in my workflow. My plan is to use it for opening apps and windows, controlling my media, and also macro and hotkey shortcuts on Photoshop, Premiere, and maybe Adobe Bridge. What comes in the box is the Elgato Stream Deck Mini, which only has 6 button windows, a pamphlet, and a quick start guide. To install the Stream Deck, it's as simple as connecting it to your PC's USB connection and downloading the Stream Deck app. After installing the app, you can set the buttons you want by just dragging and dropping the controls you need. For my quick test, I've made a folder where I can open my Gmail, YouTube, Reddit, and Facebook page. The second button is where I can open my Photoshop app. It's also where I have my hotkeys for frequency separation, save as JPEG, also my CPU load. The third folder is just for opening Premiere as I haven't assigned the buttons yet. The last folder is where I can control my media, as I normally listen to a podcast or watch YouTube on my second monitor while working. I can control the stop and play of the media, the volume, make YouTube full screen, also change the output of my sound from my speakers to my headset. This is an example where I assigned the button to open my Photoshop. The next button is for my frequency separation shortcut. You can also customize your display on the button by using the Elgato Icon app. Or you can download any picture in PNG format and use it as your icon. I got the Stream Deck Mini as I didn't need that much buttons and I didn't like the big interface of the regular and XL version. You're not limited to 6 buttons as you have many profiles that you can switch to. Also, you can create folders within a folder. That's it for now. I'll come back with a more in-depth review after I play with it some more and really use it in my workflow. Subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and photography tutorials.